Hello everybody, I want to make a little video about this new product that I purchased. I got two of them. It's called a Revolver. It's for an iPhone. It's like little lenses. I just want to kind of do a little overview about it. This is exactly how it comes, just like this. And that's how the mailman brought it. So let's go ahead and see that's kind of what it looks like when you open it. It's a very interesting box, very nice design. You have a booklet. It shows like the type of lenses that are inside the lens. Gotta be an easy way, but yeah, it just slides out. There's another box, and then inside this box there's another box. Okay, it just opens up as such. Then you have something that looks like this. It's very beautiful. Yeah. Looks really interesting. And you know, it's like a little, so your phone can stay on the table and you can watch a video. Okay, now let's see this without breaking it. Okay, so that's how that comes off. There's a little button. The top comes off. The phone goes in. The top goes back on. Nice. Has a really nice feel to it, this case. It's like, I don't know. It's not slippery, but it's not sticky. It's just really nice. What else? So I guess let's try to, so we can put this thing instead of the lenses. And there's a little red dot, so I'm guessing there should be a dot somewhere. There's a dot right here. Yeah, I guess it doesn't twist or anything, it just kind of, oh yeah, it does. Okay, so that clicked in. Now it's on there sturdy, and you can set your phone like that and watch videos. You line up the two red dots. Press the button. And I believe that's it. And so you just kind of pull it with your fingernail like that. Comes right out. And it falls in right into the socket. Let's see, so this is it's kind of a dark, it's a, I don't know, polarized or whatever, polarized lens. Try to take a photo. With the lens and then without the lens. Didn't notice much difference. Maybe it takes away a little bit of glare or something, not sure. Then there's another lens. This is it says WM. I don't know what it is, let's see. Okay, this is like, fisheye lens? Okay, that one is pretty cool. The one that says FL kind of gets more in the shot, so it's like, you know, fisheye type of lens. One of them is magnetic, and this little that looks kind of cool. This little fisheye lens. It's really interesting looking. and the fisheye lens turns into, I think, the macro. Well, I like this.